Quick verification on the analog portion of my project. This is the circuit that includes both the preamp out, which is the thing that takes the digital signal from the board and amplifies it into a usable signal for the actual guitar amplifier. This is the output jack for that. And then the left side here, this op amp side, is actually the side that takes in the very tiny little voltage signal from the little tiny analog signal that's coming from the pickups of the guitar and amplifies it to actually be something useful on the board. It amplifies a signal between 0 and 1 volts, which was measured with the multimeter here. And let me go ahead and demonstrate this real quick and show that it actually works. Okay, so we got this guy set to DC, and you can see that it's actually got an offset of about 1. This multimeter is not a high quality multimeter, and the 0 on it is off. There's no voltage going to where the probes are connected right now. My power source here is online. The switch is closed and running the op amps at 8 volts. Now I don't have an oscilloscope, so I did two things to verify that this guy is working, at least the first portion that takes in the signal. I have an LED here that actually flickers with the jump in voltage when you play the signal from the guitar. You can also see here on the voltmeter that it jumps when you play the guitar. The guitar's right here. The knobs are, you can't really see them. It's on. But you can see here that every time I strum the guitar, there's a significant voltage spike. That's because the amplitude of the signal is at its max when the guitar is at its loudest. And if you look at this little LED here, you can see it begin to flicker when the amplitude of the signal gets really high. And it dies out as the guitar's tone dies out. So this is my little makeshift, very crude way to detect that there is a signal coming from this guitar into the analog portion of this guy. And I tried to get this whole setup connected to the ADC on the basis board, but that did not work for reasons I explain in the email to Professor Joseph Canis. Thank you.